welcome to Tool Logic. Work smarter with the right tools. Hey, have you ever asked yourself, what exactly did I do with all my time? You were busy every day, answering calls, writing emails, meetings, messages, etc. Yet the work that truly matters, the work that grows your career, your business and your income was not done. If this sounds familiar, relax. You are not lazy. You are not failing.
Are you sure?
You are simply using the wrong system. In 2026, the difference between productive people and overwhelmed people is not hard work. It is logic.
Oh my God, bro.
Today I will show you a 5-tool ecosystem that can give you back 10 hours every single week. This is Tool Logic. Now let us start with ChatGPT. Many people use ChatGPT like Google. That is a mistake. ChatGPT is not a search engine. ChatGPT is your senior research partner. It is your best friend. It helps you think faster. It helps you plan better. It helps you make decisions with clarity. You can use ChatGPT to draft reports, create project plans, write proposals, and analyze data. Imagine you upload a messy spreadsheet and ask, where are we losing the money? In seconds, it will show you the patterns you would miss in hours. When you move your brainstorming, your planning, and first drafts to ChatGPT, you save at least 3 hours every week. Now, let us talk about the biggest thief of our time: meetings. We attend meetings, we listen carefully, then we forget half of what was said. That's when Otter AI comes in. Otter AI solved this problem completely. Otter joins your online meetings. It listens for you. It writes everything down. After the meeting, Otter gives you the full transcription, the clear summaries, the action points, and who is responsible for what. This means no more manual note-taking, no more confusion, no more please remind me what we discussed. If you attend meetings regularly, this tool alone can return your 3 hours every single week to your life. Let us talk about the second brain. This is Notion AI. Now you have the information. The question is, where do you keep it? This is where Notion AI also comes in. Think of Notion AI as your second brain. A messy workspace slows your thinking. A clear workspace creates flow. With Notion AI, you can ask, what were the requirements for the last project? What decision did we make last month? And it finds the answer instantly. It turns the rough ideas into clear plans. It organizes chaos into systems. This saves you 2 hours every week, and more importantly, it reduces mental stress. The fourth tool is Grammarly AI. Grammarly AI is not just about grammar and spellings. It is about clarity, tone, and professionalism. Grammarly helps you to write clear emails, sound confident, not rude, adjust tone for work, tone for business, or leadership. It helps you avoid embarrassing mistakes. Instead of reading one email 5 times, Grammarly fixes it instantly. This saves time and it protects you from professional imaging. The last tool is Canva AI. Many people say, I'm not a designer, but Canva AI will just say, that is not a problem. With the Canva AI, you simply describe what you want: a presentation, a flyer, a social media post, a thumbnail, etc. and all the designs will appear. There is no more struggling with the fonts, no more wasting hours adjusting colors. What used to 10 hours now takes only 15 because everything is in one place. Hey, 10 hours every week is 500 hours every year. Think about it. Think about what 500 extra hours could change in your life. Wake up, think. The goal is not to use many tools. The goal is to use the right logic. Start with one tool, master it, then move to the next tool. If this video is helpful, like the video and subscribe to Tool Logic. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.